हेलो एवरीवन, इस वीडियो में हम पढ़ने वाले हैं डिफरेंट सिचुएशन में डिफरेंट कन्वर्सेशन। लेट्स गेट स्टार्ट।
English conversation practice. Situation number 1. A bus travel.
Student, miss, may I sit on the foreign seat, please? Student, miss, may I sit on the foreign seat, please?
Teacher, yes you may. Teacher, yes you may.
Student, miss, may I sit with the driver? Student, miss, may I sit with the driver?
Teacher, no, it wasn't safe. Teacher, no, it wasn't safe.
Student, miss, please, may I sit next to the window? Student, miss, please, may I sit next to the window?
Teacher, yes you may. Teacher, yes you may.
Student, thank you, miss. Student, thank you, miss.
Teacher, you are welcome. You are welcome. Situation number 2. Waiting for a school bus. Roshni, we are late. Stop that car, we will take a lift. Roshni, we are late. Stop that car, we will take a lift.
Radhika, no, it isn't safe to take a lift. Radhika, no, it isn't safe to take a lift.
Roshni, okay then, walk fast. Roshni, okay then, walk fast.
Radhika, wait, a bus is coming. Radhika, wait, a bus is coming.
Roshni, it's the school bus, stop it. Roshni, it's the school bus, stop it.
I will wave my hand and the driver will stop. Radhika, I will wave my hand and the driver will stop.
Situation number 3. Inquiring about health. Hello Radhika, why were you absent yesterday? Hello Radhika, why were you absent yesterday?
Hello Roshni, I wasn't feeling well. Hello Roshni, I wasn't feeling well.
What happened to you? What happened to you?
I had a fever. I had a fever.
Did you take any medicine? Did you take any medicine?
Yes, I did. Yes, I did.
How are you feeling now? How are you feeling now?
I am fine, thank you. I am fine, thank you.
Situation number 4. Asking questions. Where were you yesterday? Where were you yesterday?
I was at home. I was at home.
Were you sleeping? Were you sleeping?
No, I wasn't. No, I wasn't.
Were you watching TV? Were you watching TV?
Yes, I was. Yes, I was.
Were Bilal and Mariam with you? Were Bilal and Mariam with you?
No, they weren't. No, they weren't.
Was Jamil with you? Was Jamil with you?
Yes, he was. Yes, he was.
Situation number 5. Discuss about holidays. Hello Radhika, how are you? Hello Radhika, how are you?
I am fine, Roshni. How are you? I am fine, Roshni. How are you?
I'm very happy. My father told me last night that we will go to Dubai in the summer holidays. I'm very happy. My father told me last night that we will go to Dubai in the summer holidays.
Oh, that's great. It will be a lot of fun. Oh, that's great. It will be a lot of fun. Oh, that's great. It will be a lot of fun.
Yes, it will be very exciting. Yes, it will be very exciting.
What will you do in Dubai? Which place will you visit? What will you do in Dubai? Which place will you visit?
Well, Radhika, I will visit many interesting places in Dubai. Well, Radhika, I will visit many interesting places in Dubai. My family and I will stay in a hotel. My family and I will stay in a hotel. We will go to the Dubai shopping festival. We will go to the Dubai shopping festival. And I will buy latest computer game from there. And I will buy latest computer game from there. We will also go to the Dubai Funland. We will also go to the Dubai Funland.
That sounds great. You will really enjoy your holiday. That sounds great. You will really enjoy your holiday. I will stay home during the holiday. I will stay home during the holiday.
Situation number 6. After the holidays.
Hello Sabah, how are you? Hello Sabah, how are you?
Hey, I'm fine. Thank you. I'm fine. Thank you. What about you? What about you?
I'm fine. How are your holiday? I'm fine. How are your holiday?
They were great fun. I read a lots of stories. They were great fun. I read a lots of stories. But what did you do in the holidays? But what did you do in the holidays?
I learned to make clay toys. I learned to make clay toys.
Oh, that's nice. Maybe I will learn to make clay toys. Oh, that's nice. Maybe I learn to make clay toys.
You are welcome. You are welcome.
Situation number 7. In a classroom. Where's your book? Where's your book?
I left it at home. I left it at home.
Where's your notebook? Where's your notebook?
I'm sorry. I forget to bring it. I'm sorry. I forget to bring it.
You have become very careless. You have become very careless. I must tell your parents. I must tell your parents.
I'm really sorry. Teacher, I won't do it again. I'm really sorry, teacher. I won't do it again.
Okay, this time I'll forgive you. Okay, this time I'll forgive you. But in the future you must always bring all your books to class. But in future you must always bring all your books to class.
Thank you, teacher. I'll be will carefully in the future. Thank you, teacher.
I hope you learned something new from this video, so please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. I really need your support. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.